In fact, in their letter, they highlight the negligence that has been going on for years on multiple layers. In fact, they've demanded accountability, they've demanded punishment as well. So this is the letter that has been sent to the CJI, Delhi students' letter to the CJI on coaching centers, how these centers are blatantly flouting rules, and they've raised these flags earlier on, but there has been absolute silence and inaction by the officials, and therefore these desperate students have written to the Chief Justice of India saying that they are living a life of hell. Anshul joins us for more on this. Anshul, tell us a little bit more about this letter that has been written by the students to the Chief Justice of India.
Well, this letter that has been written to the Chief Justice of India actually narrates the demands that are being made by the students who are sitting on the protest for the last 72 hours. These demands basically are the compensation should be given to the victims of family. As of now, a 10 lakh rupee compensation has been announced from the side of the Lieutenant Governor, and the students feel that this is not enough. 10 lakh rupees is nothing to the amount that is being spent by the students out here in the Rajendra Nagar area, because the rates of the facilities that are being given to them is absolutely skyrocketing. Apart from this, there are in fact 10 other demands that have been put forth. For example, accountability and punishment of the accused. First, the person who is accountable for this entire incident should be pointed out, and then he should be punished. Ban on basement operations, the manner in which these libraries, PGs and food courts have been operating in basements. This should be banned, is what has been mentioned by the students. Apart from this, regulation of coaching fees, prioritization of safety of students, and regular safety checks, and also improvement of drainage system. These are some of the things that have been mentioned by the students at this point in time. The students have written this letter to the Chief Justice of India. It remains to be seen if at all the Chief Justice will take cognizance of this and eventually take the matter up suo moto, so that some strict action or some strict order could come in from the Supreme Court, which could actually bring a little relief to the students out here.
Oh, absolutely. And one cannot ignore the politics that one is getting to see over the tragic death of these three young students. You know, the Aam Aadmi Party blaming the BJP blaming the Aam Aadmi Party for the kind of mess that Delhi finds itself in. Let's listen to these reactions from the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP.
AAP is protesting today in Parliament against the LG and the centre. BJP is accusing AAP, saying आपके पास NCD है, आपकी सरकार है, तो आपको जिम्मेदारी लेनी चाहिए। जिम्मेदारी किसकी है राजेंद्र नगर?
अधिकारियों को अगर कोई निर्देश मंत्री देगा और उसका पालन न करे वो अधिकारी, तो उसको ट्रांसफर, पोस्टिंग और पनिश करने का अधिकार किसका है? आप बताइए। छोड़ दीजिए बीजेपी के सांसद क्या कर रहे हैं, आप बताइए ना। वो अधिकार है एलजी के पास, और एलजी साजिश रच रहे हैं बीजेपी के साथ मिलके कि दिल्ली को नरक बनाना है। आप क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें?
क्योंकि कई सारी
इसलिए जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का आदेश है वो अक्षरशः लागू किया जाए। ट्रांसफर पोस्टिंग का अधिकार दिल्ली की चुनी हुई सरकार को दिया जाए, ये हमारी मांग है।
राजेंद्र नगर में जो हुआ वो हादसा नहीं, वो हत्या थी। उसका प्रमाण दिन प्रतिदिन सामने आ रहा है। आपराधिक लापरवाही भी रही आम आदमी पार्टी की, और उसके अलावा भ्रष्टाचार भी था। परंतु आज सवाल ये बनता है कि इस पूरे नेक्सस के पीछे किसका हाथ है? वहीं की आम आदमी पार्टी की जो स्थानीय कॉर्पोरेटर है, उन्हीं की प्रॉपर्टी है, और उन्हीं की प्रॉपर्टी में जो 500 मीटर दूर है राउस कासस से, वहां पर कई सारे अवैध निर्माण हैं। कई सारे ऐसे निर्माण हैं जहां पर टेरेसेस पर कमरे बना कर स्टूडेंट्स को दिया गया है। मतलब कि मौत के कमरों में स्टूडेंट्स को रखकर पैसा कमाने का काम आम आदमी पार्टी की कॉर्पोरेटर खुद कर रही है, और उन्होंने अपना बेसमेंट भी जो है वो कमर्शियल एक्टिविटी के लिए दिया है, और ये बेसमेंट को अभी तक सील नहीं किया गया है एमसीडी के द्वारा।